Good morning, Saugus. I'm Holden Smith, and today's Tuesday, May 7th. Happy Mother's Day week.
And I'm Mrs. Smith. This is SNN. For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about Holden. Holden was born on December 21st, 2006 at Henry Mayo Hospital here in Santa Clarita. She was born an animal lover with a certificate from the zoo to prove it and wanted to be a veterinarian, although the dream died in 6th grade along with many dissected squids.
Throughout my life, I fell quite a lot, breaking my arm 3 times. But besides that, I fell in love with all types of art, from traditional painting to music, along with writing and more recently, film. I taught myself how to play multiple instruments, and on my journey into high school, followed in my father's footsteps of becoming an editor of our very own literary magazine here on campus.
Along with her journey of Lit Mag, Holden rekindled a love for ASL with a future plan of becoming an interpreter for live television, leading us to where we are now. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Seniors. SNN's Senior Slideshow is available for purchase in the ASB office. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life, whether it be sports, class life, extracurricular activities, or vacations. Pictures or videos you've submitted to look back on from your time at Saugus are included. Copies are $15 in the ASB store.
The Santa Clarita Valley NAACP is offering a scholarship to seniors. To apply, you must be an African American graduating senior with a 2.5 GPA or higher and a member of the NAACP chapter. Applications can be found in the Senior Google Classroom and are due by Wednesday, May 15th.
The Horatio Alger Association is offering scholarships to seniors. The association will award 500 scholarships of up to $2,500 across the nation. To be eligible, you must be enrolled in a 2-year or less career or technical degree/certificate program in the fall that will lead to employment. Attend a not-for-profit post-secondary institution, demonstrate financial need, and must be a citizen of the United States. To apply, visit the link listed below. Applications are due Sunday, June 15th.
Now, let's go to Andrea Robinson with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, best friend Danette. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Andrea Robinson, the mother of Taylor and Kendall Robinson, with today's Saugus Sports Update. Registrations for athletic clearances and sports summer camps are open at the links listed below. Students must have up-to-date physicals and athletic clearances completed in order to participate in any sports on campus. Registration ends on May 31st. That's all for me. Now let's go back to Holden with the next edition in our series, Cooking with Soup.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Holden Smith, and this is Cooking with Soup. Today, we will be making a simplified split pea soup. Although traditionally split pea soup is a very complex recipe, this is something that anybody can make. To start, make sure to wash your hands. Then grab 2 carrots, celery, a medium onion, garlic, parsley, split peas, 5 cups of water, can of tomatoes, bacon, salt and pepper, and a 3-quart pan. First, cut your onion and your garlic. Then place the pan over medium heat. Cook your onion, garlic, and 1/2-inch pieces of bacon. Here, we'll be using turkey bacon. Now, add your split peas and water. Bring this mixture to a boil, then cover to reduce the heat. Simmer until the peas are tender. This will take about an hour. Meanwhile, split carrots vertically. Thinly slice the carrots, then set them aside. Do the same for the celery. Now, in a blender or food processor, puree the pea mix a portion at a time until smooth. Back at the pan, add carrots, celery, tomatoes in their liquid, and salt, if you want. Now you can add curry powder and pepper. Again, cover and simmer until carrots are tender. This should take about 25 minutes. Finally, garnish with parsley. Your last task, serve and enjoy.
That was shockingly really good. Try it for yourself, Saugus.
Seniors who are interested in participating in the We're Going Places senior sweatshirt photo can submit pictures of you wearing a sweatshirt or t-shirt to the university, college, trade school, or branch of the armed services you plan to attend after graduation to Mr. Freaky by Friday, May 17th.
The library will be closed tomorrow through the rest of this week due to AP testing. Do not send any students up to the library on these days. Today, the library will be open for printing, checking out books, and computer use.
Choir auditions for next year will be taking place today from 2 to 5 p.m. or at lunch today through May 10th in room E503. Students should be prepared to sing 30 seconds of a song of their choice. If you have any questions, email Mrs. Pye at the email listed below or visit the link listed below.
Saugus's spring musical, Mean Girls, will be presented on May 9th through May 11th at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $12 for students and $15 for general admission and can be purchased on gofan.com. This Saturday, there will be an extra showing at 1 p.m.
The City of Santa Clarita is taking measures to enhance school safety. Local law enforcement will increase their presence to deter speeding, reckless driving, and parking violations that pose risk to pedestrians, especially students and surrounding neighbors. Be cautious of your surroundings, Saugus.
That's all for today. I'm Holden Smith. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Mrs. Smith. Have a great day. SNN will be back tomorrow.
Don't forget to get your mom a gift before Sunday.
Oh, you're looking at me? You know what I want, kids? I want some grocery store sushi, and maybe for dinner, maybe real sushi from a real restaurant. That would be great, kids. What do you think that would be a good present for Mother's Day?
I want a family day.
She's so wholesome. She's so wholesome. I don't want that. I want like maybe a Corvette. Let's take it up a notch.
Federo.
Hey, did you guys know we all match? We didn't even call ahead. This is funny.